Right, we're going to have a look at this here. This is a rational inequality. Find the range of values of x for which this is true. Now x can't be equal to 5. So the thing with these less than or equal to jobs is that both sides must be multiplied by a positive number. So we don't know whether x minus 5 is positive or negative. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by x minus 5 squared, like this, right? And on the right hand side then we have 3x minus 2, and we're left with x minus 5 on top because it cancels with this guy here, less than or equal to 5 times this fella over here. And then we multiply out here, so we get 3x squared minus 15x minus 2x plus 10 is less than or equal to 5 times you'd have x squared minus 10x plus 25. So 3x squared minus 15 minus 17x there plus 10 is less than or equal to 5x squared minus 50x plus 125. And then we can throw stuff across here. Say we can bring the 3x squared over, so yeah, or we can bring the 5x squared over this way. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to bring the 5x squared over, so I get minus 2x squared there. Minus 17 plus the 50 is going to give me plus 33x. Is that right? I think that's right. And then the 10 minus the 125 will give us minus 115. That's all less than or equal to 0. Now if you don't, I don't like to look at this minus. I can multiply across by minus 1 and get 2x squared minus 33x plus 115 is greater than or equal to 0. The sign flips when you multiply or divide across by a negative number. And now we're going to solve this. Now you see this is a positive quadratic, so it's probably got 2 roots and it's a smiley face. So it's greater than or equal to 0 out this way and out this way. So we're going to solve this now. I think using, we can try and factor it, I suppose. 2 times that will give us 230. So we could factor something like this: 2x squared minus 10x minus 23. They add up to minus 33 and they multiply together to give us 230. So we're going to solve this now as if it was a quadratic, and afterwards we're going to look at where it's greater than or equal to 0, and it'll be from this point back the way and from this point forward the way, this being here being the x-axis. So we can take out 2x there, and we get x minus 5, and we take out minus 23 there, we're going to get x minus 5 as well. So we get 2x minus 23 times x minus 5 equals 0. So our points of interest are going to be, 2x minus 23 equals 0, so x is going to be 23 over 2, which is 11.5, and over there then x equals 5. So looking back at our smiley face, this being our x-axis, these are the roots, and this guy here holds true, greater than or equal to 0 for these x values starting here, which is going to be 11.5, and here x equals 5, going this way and this way. So it's true for x less than or equal to 5 and x greater than or equal to 11.5. I think that's it anyway.